Hi guys, welcome back to Oldtimer Garage. Today we're going to restart the Mehari at last and make the exhaust line airtight. The front face is currently at the body shop because it was cracked in several places, but once it comes back, this car will be back on the roads. But to start with, we need to make sure the exhaust line is airtight, and at the moment it isn't. So the first thing we have to do is to loosen up the cross box underneath the engine. There are two bolts that hold the cross box in place on the gearbox. Once loosened up, we should be able to make the junctions at the heating boxes airtight, which is where the problem is at the moment. The heating boxes are held in place by two collars, so we need to remove both of them, clean up the old cement, and then put some new cement on and put everything back together. Originally, the exhaust lines on those cars were supposed to be airtight without the need of using cement, but the rust made this a requirement if you want your lines to be airtight, and you want it because otherwise your engine won't run properly, which was the problem on this car. Okay, time to see if it works now.
Okay.
More balanced to cover, isn't it?
Sounds nice. We just have to let it dry and that's it now. Sounds good.
We just need to let the engine run at idle for a while and warm up so the cement can harden. There was still a tiny leak where the collar isn't covering the seal because the pressure of the exhaust gases blew the fresh cement away, but you can hear the difference as soon as I blinded the leak with new cement. On a normal day, I would never leave an air-cooled engine run that long without its fan, but it was very cold in the garage, so that wasn't a problem here. After that, I just had to tighten the crossbox on the gearbox again, and the exhaust job was done.
Oh, that's fine. You know how vacuum the floor, in fact.
Then the rubber protection goes back onto the ignition, and the fan goes back on. The last verification before a test drive. That's all for this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. The next one should be with the front face and the hood back on. And I also have an update video to finish editing on my Cadillac and a few others too. But for now, please click on the thumbs up button, leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And I'll talk to you soon.